Having a disability such as cerebral palsy, your wheelchair becomes your exoskeleton. You sit in your wheelchair for about 15 hours a day every single day. It is so important to make your wheelchair comfortable. Over the last year, I have been in the process of getting a new wheelchair. Yes, you heard that right, a year. However, this was the first time I actually did the process all by myself. I am so proud of myself. My mom usually does it for me. But being a 25-year-old woman, I am wanting to take over my life. There were 3 things I wanted in my new wheelchair. 1 was good side support. 2 was that my feet plates had to be sturdy so it would not be as noisy, especially when I do YouTube videos. 3 was it had to be strong enough. Even though they listened to the first 2 with flying colors, they underestimated my strength. Because of my cerebral palsy, I have high muscle tone, making every move I make big and jerky. In the past, I have broken several chairs. Yep, I am a strong woman. The custom molded back was great. However, it is attached to the wheelchair with only 4 bolts. Seriously? But, no fear, I am currently working with my OT about how to get the back to hold a strong young woman who probably can win a medal in the Olympics for being the strongest at breaking things with her back. By the way, to give a better picture, I have 2 metal rods in my back. With my back being as strong as steel, my wheelchair's back needed to be strong. While there are many kinks to this wheelchair, it will eventually be better than my last wheelchair once I worked all the kinks out. Stay tuned and I will post a video of my wheelchair once it is perfect.